Welcome to this session number 18 on Introduction to Statistics. We are discussing the different types of measures of central tendency, and in this session number 18 our focus will be mode. Okay, let us start with the definition of mode. What is mode? The value of the observation which occurs most frequently. What is the meaning of that? That means an observation which is having the maximum frequency. In case of type, for the most frequently occurring value, we can give two values as mode, then such kind of data is said to be bimodal. In case if you have more than two numbers, if you have more than two data points which are having the maximum frequency, then such kind of data set is said to be multimodal. Clear? So let us take an example to understand how we can find the mode for a given data. Here I have a data set of 20, and here these are the data points that represent the marks out of 10, and I want to find the modal marks. So what I will do, because mode is nothing but the data point, the observation which is having the maximum frequency. Therefore I wanted to know what is the frequency for each data point, right? For the purpose, let me arrange the data in the ordered pair. Either you can arrange in the ascending or descending or in a tabular form, it is up to you. So here I have data points of only 20, so therefore I can write it in the ascending order. After writing the data in ascending order, you just count each observation frequency. So here this data point 2 is appeared for only once, and the data point 3 is appeared for twice, and the frequency of 4 is 3, and frequency of 5 is 2, and similarly for 6 it is 3, and for 7 it is 3, and for 9 the frequency is 4, and for the 10 the frequency is 2. Now you tell me which observation is repeated for many number of times. That can we can clearly see, right? The observation 9 occurred most frequently. It is appeared for 4 times, right? Therefore 9 is the mode of the given data. So this is the way we can find mode of the given data. As simple as that. You see the data, arrange them in a ascending, descending or tabular form. Why? Because we wanted to find the frequency of each data point. After knowing the frequency, we just look for the maximum frequency, then the corresponding data point with the maximum frequency is called the mode of the given data. There is a case if two numbers are having the maximum frequency, then we can give those two data points as the mode. Then such kind of data set is to be bimodal. If you have more than two data points which are repeating, which are having the maximum frequency, then we can give as many points which are with the maximum frequency. Then such kind of data set is said to be multimodal. Okay, so this is about me, and I completed my BSMS integrated dual degree from ISER Pune. Thereafter I have 6.5 years of experience as a maths educator, IIT mains and advanced, and currently pursuing my MBA at MDA Gurgaon, major in finance, minor in information management. My goal is to transition in the domain of finance, quant finance, data analytics and consulting. And this is my LinkedIn ID, so you can connect me on LinkedIn. Thank you. And what all I need is your support. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So your support gives me energy and the motivation. Okay, thank you so much.